Hi guys, it's your girl Luna. In this video I'm doing a demonstration of how we clean out an enclosure. You will notice in the video that there are animals in close proximity. The chemicals that I am using are safe to be used within close proximity of animals, such as the F10. It's mixed at a dilution ratio of 1 to 125. We generally use the Parvo ratio just because it's effective on everything. The contact time I'll leave it for is 2 minutes, simply because that will take care of all gram-positive and negative bacteria. So while I'm doing this, you'll notice I'm not wearing any gloves. That's simply because that there is no crude matter or anything like that in the enclosure. The animal was only in for a short duration, came in for some injections and everything like that. So there was no need for me to wear the latex gloves, and I have no sensitivity to the chemicals we've been using, so all I have to do is wash my hands when I'm finished, and yeah, away you go. 25 ratio, so it only needs a contact time of 2 minutes, so enjoy. Sorry about my ass. The angle's going to be really bad. Again, I'm really sorry about it, but I had to use a tripod because there was no other staff member available to help me record the video, so I'm really sorry. Really sorry. Like 3 minutes. Sorry, Bella. Sorry, darling. I knew that was going to happen the moment I pressed record. Alright, so I've sprayed it out with disinfectant, removed the towels. There wasn't any like debris or urine or anything like that, so that was fine. So now I'm just going to spray it out with F10, let it sit for the contact time of 2 minutes, and then I will wipe up any excess and reline it with towels. So for everybody's sanity's sake, I'm going to just speed up this a little bit because nobody really wants to stand around for 2 minutes and listen to the idle chit chat between me and one of the other nurses. Oh. It's so cute. You look very well, though. You always feel scary. We are. So he ended up walking. Oh, really? It was, he was just scared outside and walk away. And as soon as I crashed down, he was just attempt to like duck right here. He just sat there. So he walks, he just doesn't want to do anything else. Yeah. I mean, you haven't had really anything since last night, so probably hasn't got a lot on board. And if the owners actually did the right thing and took people walk. Nothing in the stomach. Nothing in the bath. Yeah, nothing to lay out. And they give you some food so you know. Yep. Alright, so it's been roughly 2 minutes. I'm just going to wipe it out, the excess, and then reline it for the next patient to come in tomorrow. So that was my demonstration of how to clean out an enclosure. Again, I'm really sorry about my backside, but it's the best I could do.